I was born in the middle of my parents' divorce in the conservative bubble of Orange County, where people don't talk about their problems. My father was an alcoholic with a tremendous amount of influence in our community. He used to hurt my mom and sisters and I. He picked me up from school in a brand new red Jaguar while my mom could barely afford dinner. Most kids went home to do their math homework and prepare for the next day's test. I went home to my dad showing up with a baseball bat and smashing out all the lights. It was hard to take a test the next morning. It got increasingly hard not to feel super rejected and different from the other kids. Hard not to be depressed. And even harder to talk about it. Consequently, my GPA in high school was low, and I was rejected from 9 out of 10 colleges I applied to. The trauma and alienation from my childhood continued. Sometimes I was social, other times I avoided everyone. I made up something about hanging out with a girlfriend and went on long walks alone, thinking about my life. By the time I graduated, I knew 3 people who had committed suicide. The last one had been a close friend. There'd been no signs. He was intelligent, well-liked, a great guy. It didn't make sense, but I understood. My friend's death was a wake-up call. I started inviting people over. We were going to destigmatize the issue, talk about it, and promote resources. We were dreamers, but we were also doers. In 3 months, we wrote a business plan, a marketing plan, then created a website. We applied for our nonprofit status and built a board of directors. We crowdfunded about $1,000. Green Ribbon Club became the first student-led nonprofit dedicated to mental health in our community. We were moving forward, but I still needed professional understanding of mental health, so I applied for graduate public health programs. UCLA seemed like a dream. Now I'm entering my 2nd year, with a focus on behavioral health, including suicide prevention, opioid prevention, and community mental health. Green Ribbon Club is entering its 3rd year, with over 100 volunteers. I'm unsure what the future holds, but I'm certain my path will involve promoting and talking about mental health.